Jones Inlet through Shinnecock Bay until 9:15 p.m. At 8:32 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm capable of producing strong winds over 35 knots as well as water spots.
Say hello.
Miles south of the Great South Bay.
How you doing?
The thunderstorm will be
Say hello.
Great South Bay around 8:45 p.m. Mauritius Bay around 9:10 p.m. Mariners can expect gusty winds, high waves, lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until this storm passes. Thunderstorms can produce sudden water spouts. Water spouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe
Okay.
harbor immediately. Repeating. Riding warning has been issued until 9:15 p.m. for the following marine locations: Long Island South Shore base from Jones Inlet to Shinnecock,
Watch your head.
New York, and Fire Island Inlet, New York, and Mauritius Inlet, New York, out 20 nautical miles. The coastal waters forecast from Sandy Hook, New Jersey.